Hello programmers and welcome to my channel. In my channel mostly I share all Django project and all based on Python project. In this video I am going to show you how you can use your Android mobile phone to do your Django project. Not only Django project, all similar kind of project you can do through your mobile. Doing code from mobile is quite flexible and easy, and you can do coding from anywhere, from bed to park or whatever. You need most essential apps is PyDroid 3, and rest those apps are not essential, but you can change or you can do alternative. I am using a code here for coding. I am using SQLite viewer to see my database and models. As you see, I have this previous job, all my models in here, and I'm using Opera as my browser, and I'm using also programmer's keyboard. It will make my journey easy or help my coding. So no more talking, let's go to program. You need to open your PyDroid 3 and go to menu, then go to terminal, and here you can do all your Linux operating command coding. So let's see first ls, and as you can see, I have my all directory folders in my mobile or in my pen drive or in my memory card. We need to make a new folder, make dir new dj. We am going to folder this name new dj. Okay, let's go to inside the folder, cd new dj. Okay, we are inside our new dj folder. Now we need to check that we have Python in our system or not. Python version. Usually when you set up your PyDroid 3, Python will be built in and it will set up automatically, so you don't need to do anything. As you see, I have Python 3.9. Now we need to install our Django pip install Django. I have already set up Django in my system. In computer VS Code, you can do a personal environment for each project, but in mobile, all apps are all pip install are goes to your system, so you can access from any folder. Now, one more thing you must need to install: pip install tj. It's a time zone shortcut. Why you need tj? Because okay, I made a pip install tj. When you will create your models and you will migrate through your phone, this tj will help you to maintain your time zone. If you need to use date and time field, this tj will very helpful in that moment. So now we need to start our project. So Django admin. First unit, it's better to see the all code we can use. There is the list of code you can do with your Django. Django admin start project. Let's write the project name new pro. Okay, we made our name new project. You see there is no error. It means that we have everything going running. Okay, let's go to inside this new pro folder. Okay, we're inside, and let's see what we have in this folder, ls. And as you can see, we have manage.py file. It means that we have our project ready, and I hope you are already familiar with this Django project, because I'm not going very details in this video. If you need more video, please write comment. I will try to make more video. Now we can make our new apps in here, create our app. So as we have Python's manage.py file, so use python manage.py. And here also it's better to know all the help you can get. So write the help command, and you see there is a list of command you can do. Start app. We are going to name a new app. Okay, our app is also okay. And let's first create the migrate. It will help our project. Python manage. If you are not going to use this default SQLite 3, it's better to stop here and go to a code. So previous file what we need. Let's open files, internal storage. Okay, the folder we made new DJ in here, and this our project. This is a manage file. This is the all our app file, and this is the main our setting file. If you are going to use a defined database, then how to have built-in SQLite 3, you need to edit here first, then you need to migrate. But we are going to use our default database SQLite 3, so we are going to migrate in here. Manage.py migrate. Okay, our database files migrated. Now let's open our run server. Okay, our server is running. As you see, server address 127.00.1 colon 8000. Let's open a browser, and let's refresh. As you see, I had set up this is my default link, that's why I opened this page. But if you refresh, you see my server is running and my Django project is ready here. One thing you need to remember, if you go back in your PyDroid 3, the live server will be killed, because this is now not running. You need to again go to terminal, go to your folder where you set up your project, new DJ, and Python. And let's check what we have in this folder. Okay, we need to go inside this application, cd new inside our project. new pro. Okay, ls. Yes, now we have manage.py file in here. So python manage.py run server. Okay, our server is running again, and if you refresh, you see our server is here. We will use PyDroid to base our Linux programming for running server, coding, creating app, and default command programming. And we are going to use a code in here to coding our setting, coding our files. As you see in here, this is our main project, and this is our new app. You already know that when you create a new app, we don't have any urls.py file, so we need to create a urls.py file, urls.py. So in this way, you can make easily your file, and you can use your file like this way. Before you see the changes, you need to save in here, and this is quite easy. And already if you know a bit of Django programming, the rest you will able to work out. So this video is ending here. If you need further more video or um, any help, please comment. I will try my best to help you out. Thank you very much and have a good day.